Hey guys, whitening toothpaste has become a staple in bathroom cabinets around the world, promising a brighter smile with every brush. But amidst its popularity, concerns often arise. Can these toothpastes actually harm your teeth? It's a valid question that deserves attention. As we delve deeper, it's important to separate fact from fiction and provide a clear picture of what whitening toothpaste is and how it affects your dental health. Many people are drawn to whitening toothpaste due to its convenience and the promise of quick results. However, the effectiveness and safety of these products can vary significantly depending on their ingredients and the method of use. Understanding these factors is crucial to ensuring that you are not compromising your dental health in pursuit of a whiter smile. The aim of this essay is to explore the intricacies of whitening toothpaste, examining both its benefits and potential drawbacks. By the end of this discussion, you should have a comprehensive understanding of whether whitening toothpaste is a friend or foe to your dental regimen. Let's begin by understanding exactly what whitening toothpaste is and how it works. Whitening toothpaste is designed to make teeth appear whiter by removing surface stains with abrasive particles that gently polish the teeth and chemicals that help dissolve stains. Common ingredients include hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. The mechanism is both physical and chemical. Physical elements like hydrated silica scrub away stains, while chemical agents like hydrogen peroxide break them down. This dual action effectively manages surface stains. However, intrinsic stains beneath the enamel are not typically affected. For deeper stains, professional treatments are necessary. One of the primary benefits of using whitening toothpaste is the enhanced appearance of your teeth. A brighter smile is associated with youth and health and can significantly boost your self-confidence. Regular use of whitening toothpaste can effectively remove surface stains caused by coffee, tea, red wine, and tobacco, thus maintaining the natural whiteness of your teeth. In addition to cosmetic improvements, many whitening toothpastes also contain fluoride, which helps in strengthening tooth enamel and preventing decay. This adds an extra layer of benefit as you are not only improving the aesthetics of your teeth, but also their health. The presence of fluoride makes whitening toothpaste a multifunctional product beneficial for daily dental care. Furthermore, the psychological boost received from having a whiter smile should not be underestimated. Improved self-esteem can lead to better social interactions and even professional opportunities. A welcoming smile can make a significant difference in first impressions, which are often lasting. Lastly, the simple inclusion of whitening toothpaste in your daily routine is a non-invasive way to enhance your dental appearance. Unlike more aggressive whitening procedures that require dental visits and can cause discomfort, using toothpaste is a gentle method that can be easily integrated into your daily life. Section 4. Possible pitfalls. Risks associated with whitening toothpaste. While the benefits of whitening toothpaste are significant, there are also potential drawbacks. One main concern is enamel erosion. Abrasive substances can wear down enamel over time. This leads to increased tooth sensitivity and decay. Tooth sensitivity is another common issue. Some experience discomfort with hot, cold, or sweet foods. Improper use can exacerbate these risks. Follow guidelines to minimize adverse effects. Whitening toothpastes are not a cure-all solution. For deeper stains, professional treatment may be necessary. Section 5. Safe usage. Tips for effective and safe whitening. To maximize the benefits of whitening toothpaste while minimizing potential risks, it is essential to use these products wisely. First, always choose a toothpaste that has been approved by a reputable dental association. These products have been tested for safety and effectiveness, ensuring that they do not harm your teeth or gums. Secondly, be gentle when brushing. Using a soft bristled toothbrush and avoiding excessive force can help protect your enamel from abrasion. Also, limit the use of whitening toothpaste to once or twice a day as recommended to prevent overuse, which could lead to enamel erosion. Additionally, it's important to maintain regular dental checkups. Your dentist can provide valuable advice tailored to your specific dental needs and monitor the health of your teeth. They can also recommend professional treatments if deeper or more extensive whitening is needed. Lastly, consider complementing your whitening toothpaste with other dental hygiene practices. Regular flossing, using mouthwash, and avoiding stain-causing foods and beverages can enhance the effects of your whitening toothpaste and contribute to overall dental health. Section 6. Conclusion. Making an informed choice. In conclusion, whitening toothpaste can be a valuable tool for enhancing the appearance of your teeth, provided it is used correctly. While there are potential risks such as enamel erosion and increased sensitivity, these can be effectively managed with careful use and adherence to recommended practices. The benefits, including a brighter smile and boosted self-confidence, are significant and can positively impact various aspects of your life. It's important to maintain a balanced perspective and consider both the advantages and limitations of whitening toothpaste. Consulting with a dental professional can provide personalized advice and help you make an informed decision based on your specific dental health needs. Remember, a healthy smile is not just about whiteness. It's about maintaining the overall health and integrity of your teeth and gums. By understanding and respecting the capabilities and risks associated with whitening toothpaste, you can enjoy the benefits of a brighter smile without compromising your dental health. So, before you reach for that tube of whitening toothpaste, consider all factors and choose wisely to keep your smile both beautiful and healthy.